2007 Chevy Silverado 1500 4.8 liter. What we did on it for you guys today, still got the stock converters right there and right there. Then it comes to a factory Y pipe. Then we put a 2 1/4 to 2 1/2 tailpipe, Y pipe, and then 2 1/4 tailpipes all the way back into 3.5 inch by 18 rolled tips. One right there, one right there, and it's straight pipe duals, as you guys can see. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Right there, and right there. 2009 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. Still got the factory converters there and there. And this one comes with the third converter right there. Then a flex pipe. Then we did Y pipes, straight pipes. 2 1/4 all the way back into 4-inch angle cut tips by 18. Right there and right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. The 15 GMC Sierra 1500 all-terrain edition. Got a lift kit, nice mud tires on it, all-terrains. What's got on it? It's still got the stock converters there and there, and then a third one there. And then what we did on it is we put a 2 1/2 inch to 2 1/4 tailpipes, Y pipe setup right there. There's the tailpipes. Angle cut tips out the back. Right there and right there. That's how you get them dualed out. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Nobody likes a stock truck. They like it loud. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Let you guys hear on the inside. Black tips, you tuck them up. You tuck them up all the time, makes it look a lot better, a lot cleaner. All you see is the tip, no pipe. It's a really clean design. Let you guys hear it on the inside. want to say thank you to them. They drove an hour and a half to get here. They saw us off our YouTube channel.